What's that?
That? Oh, I can tell you all about that. Overlooking Canberra's proud new Civic Square is a gigantic lady named Ethos. She symbolizes the spirit of the community.
Well, she doesn't exactly symbolize the spirit of some of the communities that I know.
Well, I think what the book really means is it's the spirit of an ever-changing world.
Come gather round, people, wherever you roam, and admit that the waters around you have grown, and accepted that soon you'll be drenched to the bone. If your time to you is worth saving, then you better start swimming or you'll sink like a stone, for the times they are a-changing. Come writers and critics who'll prophesy with your pen, and keep your eyes wide, the chance won't come again. And don't speak too soon, for the wheel still is spin, and there's no telling who that it's naming, for the loser now will be later to win, for the times they are a-changing.
Come senators, congressmen, please heed the call. Don't stand in the doorway, don't block off the hall, for he that gets hurt will be he who has stalled.
There's a battle outside and it's raging. It'll soon shake your windows and rattle your walls, for the times they are a-changing.
Come mothers and fathers throughout the land, and don't criticize what you can't understand. Your sons and your daughters are beyond your command.
Your old road is rapidly aging. Please get out of the new one if you can't lend your hand, for the times they are a-changing.
The line it is drawn, the curse it is cast. The snow of now will later be past, as the present now will later be past. The order is rapidly fading, and the first one now will later be last, for the times they are a-changing.
Excuse me, ma'am, is this all your work?
Oh, you.
Is this all your work?
Oh, definitely.
Found ya.
Oh, good.
Are you vlogging it?
Yeah.
Hey, we're in the vlog.
So you're going to get in there?
Is this going on YouTube or something?
How are we getting in there?
How you get in?
How?
You can't, it's locked.
You can't work out a way to get in? I'm trying to work out a way to get in.
Are you guys trying to get in?
Yeah.
You guys are urbexes?
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, bright blessed days, dark sacred nights, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the skies, also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They saying I love you. I hear babies crying. I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a